Imagine increasing your plant productivity by an astounding 50% with a simple tweak. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. This incredible boost comes from the surprising magic superpowers of nutrient-dense soil. But not all soils are created equal. Poor soil quality can be a gardener's worst enemy. Just as we thrive on a balanced diet, plants need a mix of nutrients to flourish. Imagine trying to grow a tomato plant in sand or a rose bush in clay. The result? Stunted growth, low yields, and a susceptibility to pests and diseases. Poor soil lacks the essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. Nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for root development, and potassium for overall plant health. And it's not just about nutrients. Soil structure, which refers to how well the soil holds and circulates air, water, and nutrients, is also crucial. Poorly structured soil can be compacted or waterlogged, both of which are detrimental to plant health. So, what's the solution? It's not a fancy fertilizer or a magic gardening tool. It's something much simpler and more sustainable. Nutrient-dense soil is like a gourmet meal for your plants. It's packed with all the good stuff that helps them thrive. Let's break it down into the ABCs, or rather NPKs. First up is nitrogen, the lifeblood of every green leaf and stem. It's essential for photosynthesis, the process that allows plants to convert sunlight into energy. Then we have phosphorus, the catalyst for root development, flower production, and fruit growth. It's the driving force behind those vibrant blooms and juicy tomatoes you love. Last, but definitely not least, is potassium. This often overlooked nutrient is a real powerhouse, promoting plant resilience, enhancing disease resistance, and aiding in water regulation. Together, these three nutrients form the base of plant health. They are called the macronutrients because of their strong impact on plant growth and health. But they are not all. We also have the micronutrients, so many we save them for another video. But here's the million-dollar question: how do we transform poor soil into this nutrient-rich powerhouse? The secret ingredient to nutrient-dense soil is composting. It's a simple yet powerful process that can transform your garden. Composting involves decomposing organic matter, like kitchen scraps and yard waste, in a controlled environment. Over time, these materials break down into a rich, earthy substance called humus. This humus is a superfood for your soil, packed with essential nutrients that plants crave. But it's not just about the nutrients. Composting also improves the structure of your soil. It makes the soil looser and more crumbly, which helps roots spread out and access the nutrients they need. Plus, well-structured soil holds onto water more effectively, so your plants stay hydrated. Imagine the potential of your garden when your soil is supercharged with compost. Healthier plants, bigger blooms, and bountiful harvests could be just a compost pile away. Composting is nature's way of recycling, and it's a game changer for any garden. So why should we go through the trouble of making nutrient-dense soil? It's simple. Rich soil yields healthier plants, more bountiful harvests, and less reliance on chemical fertilizers. Nutrient-dense soil is truly an investment that pays off in a flourishing garden. Now that you know the secret, it's time to put it to use. Unleash your green thumb, embrace composting, and nurture nutrient-dense soil in your own garden. Share your gardening journey in the comments below. Let's cultivate a greener world together.